Hello, my name is Jimmy and this is the 2021 Hyundai Elantra. What we're going to test out today is, well, how well it can family. I have a Clek Liing as well as a Clek Foonf in the backseat, so let's take a look. All right, as you can see, I have the Clek Liing, at least the base of it, on the driver's side, and I got the Foonf here on the passenger side. The seats themselves, well, it's a sedan, it's not an SUV, so it was a little bit more of a struggle than the traditional SUV, but definitely not bad in any means. There are two sets of lower anchors within this vehicle, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side as normal, but they're just kind of squishing between the cushions, so they're a little bit tough to get access to. In terms of the upper anchors, well, I don't have any problems with that. They're just right behind the headrests themselves. Just to incorporate the Foonf on this passenger side, I did have to move the passenger seat a little bit, but it's not too bad. As you can see, it definitely fit in front with no issues. In any case, let's put the Liing in here just to see how much space there is overall. Putting a Liing inside, not difficult. I mean, it is a sedan, so you don't have as much headroom as some SUVs, so you have to kind of twist it in a little bit, but not horrible at all. And that's exactly how the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf fits inside this 2021 Hyundai Elantra. If you're petite enough, you may be able to fit in between the seats, but it's going to be hard to get in and out. In any case, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Take care.